download the eBridge Print and Capture app from Google Play. Your mobile device will need to be connected via Wi-Fi to the same network as your Toshiba eStudio system. Perform the following steps to print documents from a cloud-based storage location with eBridge Print and Capture. After installation is complete, launch the application on your Android device by tapping the eBridge Print and Capture icon. The eBridge Print and Capture app supports printing files from cloud-based storage locations, including Dropbox, Google Drive, Box, and OneDrive. This tutorial will focus on printing from Google Drive. Tap Google Drive on the Print section of the application menu. When prompted, allow the eBridge Print and Capture app to access your Google Drive account. Navigate to and select the desired PDF or JPEG document to print, and then tap Select. The eBridge Print and Capture app supports the printing of PDF and JPEG files only. Make any desired print setting changes and then tap the printer icon to print the file. Your print job will be sent to the Toshiba system via Wi-Fi. Please remain on this screen until the data transmission has completed and then retrieve your print document.